This is a light language transmission for the upgrading of the twin flame union. Little explanation about that is that, as often happens around eclipses and energy portals and specific cosmic events, is that we, as light workers, advanced souls, twin flames, connected to the cosmic energies, the cosmic cycles, the earth cycles, the collective of our tribe, and everything they're doing, we can receive upgrades from those levels in line with the divine plan. So I find that I often receive these in my sleep, and we have a full moon lunar eclipse coming up tomorrow. So this is about the right timing for that. And last night I received, it's hard to explain, but it will come through in the light language because the codes are now within my field. But it felt like a dropping in of the higher level of the unity. So as you go higher up the ray of the twin flame, you get to the point beyond duality, closer to God, where you are one with your twin. And that has gradually over the years been filtering down through the layers and through the dimensions. So the conscious awareness and the access to that comes down through into current reality. And that happened again last night, a bit different to how it has happened on other occasions, but it felt almost like a dropping in of the light into the density. So I was aware of myself being raised up, and then I felt it felt like a dropping in, like something really heavy dropped in next to me, but not next to me, more like with me. And it was my divine counterpart, my twin flame. So we both received upgraded energies, me first, immediately followed by him. And with that was what will follow now is a release of all the lower. So this will be all the blockages that are in the way of the unity, all the a whole host of the things, probably around the themes of the full moon and the astrology at the moment that we've been working through, as part of our soul's journey, that we've put those things there to work through, to master them, so they will drop away. So I just want to bring those codes related to the twin flame unity and the ascension and the full moon together. The artworks I will use in this video also, they're painted by me. They have light codes around the similar themes, so you can look at those and open to receive those codes. Just let your eyes wander over them. Just get comfortable and listen to the healing coming through and the language. Ama amara anta ana ama ana inta ara ama ana amana ara ama inta asa anta aka. Sing dolphins. Dolphins raise you up to next level on the rainbow bridge, especially through joy and unity they represent. I also see them connected to spirals. Into Arama Rama Ana Ala Ama Ana Ara Rama Ana Ala Ama Ana into Ara Rama Ala Ana Ama Ana Ara Ala Ana Ama Isa Ana Ara Ala Ana Ama Ama Ara Ala Amana Ara Ala Ama Ana 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 Ara Ala Ama Ana Ana Ira Ala Ama Ana Ana. They're weaving a bridge between dimensions. Ara Ramala Ama Ana Ana Ina Ara Ala Ana Ama Ana Ana Ina Ana Ara Ala Ama Ana 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 Ina Ana Ama Ana Ara Amarala Ana Ama Ana Ina Ara Ala Ana Ama Ana Ana Ina Ara Ala Ana Ama Ina Ara Ala Ama Ana Ina Ana Ama Ara Ala Ama Ana Ina Ama Ana Ara Ala Ama Ana Ina Ana Ana Ara Ala Ama Ana Ina Ana Ana Ama Ana Ina Ana Ama Ana Ana Arala Ama Ana 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 Isa Ana Ama Ana Isa Ana Isana Ana Ina Arala Ama Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana 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 Ama Ana. So I'm getting the energy of the eclipse now. I'm seeing the sun and the moon. Ana Ara Ala Mana Ana Ina Ana Ara Ala and love hearts. So what I'm seeing is the eclipse, the sun superimposed on the moon with a bigger love heart superimposed on the two of those. Ana Rala Ama Ana 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 Isa Ana 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 Ina Ana 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 Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana 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 Ina Ana 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 Nina Ana 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 Ina Ana Ana Ira Ala Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana Ina Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina Ana Ana Anina Ana Ina Ana 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 Ina Ana Ina 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 Ina. So I'm feeling this moving through the sacral chakra now. It's clearing the cords in the sacral chakras, connecting us to all the relationships in our lives, but specifically to our twins in this lifetime, but other lifetimes. Ina Ana, it's having like a clear out and a reorganization. Ina Ana, Ina Ana, Ira Ana, Ina Ana, Ina Ana, Ina Ina Ana, Ina. Even feeling like the lower back click after having released burdens from the cords from this life and other lifetimes. So the pressure's taken off that abdomen area in the lower back that's supporting, the past history that's being held in that centre. Ina Ana Ina Ama Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina Ana Ina Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana. It's like a new, cleaner, upgraded story being programmed into the area between the thymus and the throat chakra. Ina Ama Ina Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana 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 Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana Ina 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 Ana 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 Ina Ana Ina. A lot of clearing through the throat. Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ina, and the left arm is what you receive in from the world. Is being cleared. Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana. And the sacral chakra, the womb area, the navel's all kind of being cleared and upgraded and reprogrammed. Ina Ana to the higher plane, the higher vision, the higher love. Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ina 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 Ana Ina Ana Ana Ina Ana Ina Ana Ana Ana. Getting that what's it called? A stone, that dark stone that helps you ground. That it's helpful to carry one of those. I'll put a picture of it at the end ina ana ina ana ina a ina ana ina ana ina ana 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 ina ana a ina ana ina ana 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 ina ana 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 a ina ana 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 ina ana ana ina ana ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana 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 a ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ana ina ana ina ana ina ana 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 ina ana ina ana ina the infinity sign over the area between the throat and the thymus, which I really associate with the twin flame unity. Ina ana ina ana ana ina ana ina ana ina ana ina ana 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 ina ana ana ina ana 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 ana. Okay, so just now want to do a little light language around the picture you see now. This I painted years ago. It's about the twin flame union. The spirals represent different timelines and dimensions and how you are connected to each other. See how the gold threads connect different timelines, and the underlying blue waves connect all of it through all time, space and dimension. Ara isa ana ima ana isa ama ana ana ina ama ana ira ana 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 ina ana ina ana ana ina ana ina ana 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 a ina ana a ina a ina a isa ana ina a isa ana ina ama ana a isa ana ara asa isa asa 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 isa asa a isa aka ana ama a isa aka ara isa aka a isa a isa aka ana isa a ama ana a isa a ana isa a aka asa aka a isa aka ana ama ana ara a isa aka asa aka a ara asa aka a aka a. Looking at that red one that spirals down, connected to the blue and the gold right in the middle there, and then it spirals down and then it comes on its own into a spiral at the bottom. Inta inka ampantang kampanta, ita inta ankampantang kanka, isa inta ankampantang kanka, isa inta ankampantang kanta, isa inta ambankantang tanta. This feels like it's the one that connects the other dimensions into this reality. And it feels like it's grounding the higher. And I can feel the dolphins there with that as well. Dolphins helping to ground those higher realities, the higher love, the joy, the unity into current day reality. Aka a ama ana anka anta I ama inta anka ama anta anka a. I have two twin black cats, and they've both come to join me at this point, and I find that they really help ground the higher energies in any light work that's being done. I really find they help ground that. They're so connected to nature and the earth and to me and to the higher. Ara asa sa, my guys just said yes. Okay, so that was a healing activation. I hope you receive the codes and treat it like a healing and allow it to integrate. I'll find out about that stone that came up and drink lots of water and enjoy. Take care.